mo sabihing may gusto ka pa rin kay Carol sa kabila ng lahat ng ginawa mo sa kanya? Asawa ko si Carol. Di na ngayon. Girl!
First of all, I'm innocent. Wala akong kinalaman sa pagkamatay ni Joy at ni Gian. So just do your job and get me out of here.
Yeah.
Wow! Gift for me po! Laki naman po, Tito Dennis! Pinky swear po you'll be there on my birthday.
Pinky swear, I'll be there. Love you.
I'll be there too, Leah. Pero sorry mukhang yung pangako ng daddy mo sa'yo, hindi niya na matutupad.
Alam mo, magpasalamat ka pero protektahan pa kita.
Ano na naman sinasabi mo?
Oh, please, Wilfred. Don't pretend that you forgot. Baka gusto mo malaman ng lahat na magkasama tayo the day that Joy died.
Hindi mawawala, hindi mababago, na ang alam ko lang ay magmahal sa'yo.
In fairness, Bes, ang bongga ng mga decorations, tsaka na preparations, tsaka yung pagkain ng sasarap. Hashtag para kay Leah.
Kailangan ko bumawi. Kasi syempre, 2 taon kami hindi nagsama ng anak ko.
Ay nako, Bes, kasalanan ni Wilfred at ni Ronnie.
Uy, ano ba? Di ba good vibes? Carol, alam mo, huwag mo na muna iniisip yan. At ikaw naman, Fern, huwag na muna pag-usapan yan. Ano ba?
Kahit naman pong hindi pag-usapan, lagi naman pong nasa isip ko yan Kung ano yung naging buhay ko, namin ng anak ko, kung hindi ako naakusahan, hindi ako nagdusa dahil sa pagdidiin sa akin ni Wilfred tsaka ni Ronnie.
Buti nga nakulong na yung Ronnie na yan. Karma niya. Buti nga sa kanya.
Kulang pa. Ang gusto ko yun talagang masintensyahan siya at hindi na siya makalabas ng kulungan habang buhay.
I knew you'd come. But I didn't expect na magsasama ka ng sidekick. Or is she the new side chick?
Let me handle her, Wilfred. Actually, ako ang nag-advise sa sumama sa kanya ngayon. After you have threatened my client with that call. At para na rin may witness ka kaagad sa mga sasabihin mo ngayon. Di ba bawal may cellphone sa loob? I can actually report that, Wilfred.
Sumbungan pala. So kung transparency lang naman pala, did you finally confess to her na magkasama tayo the day that Joy died?
Hello?
Hey, Will, are you still at the resort? Because I'm here.
What? What are you doing here?
As well, soul searching. Pero let's not talk about me. I saw Joy but I haven't seen you. Nasaan ka? Let's talk.
I guess I feel guilty just leaving her habang anniversary namin. I know I should be there for Joy, but away lang kami ng away. She finds fault in the littlest things. Nakakapagod.
Will, come on. Calm down, okay?
It's your right to leave. And you know, to put boundaries para hindi ka makonsume ng inis tsaka frustration mo kay Joy. And I think it's better kung huwag ka na munang bumalik. Tsaka na kayo mag-usap kapag parehas na malamig yung ulo nyo.
I know, but I just thought this time maayos na kami. That's why we booked this vacation. Her favorite place. And what does she do? Just keeps nagging and nagging.
It's good that I'm here. Ako ang magtatanggal ng stress mo. I won't nag you, nor find faults in you. Because to me, Will, you're perfect.
Hey! Ronnie, what are you doing?
What? Well, Do you really think I'd come all the way here for nothing? Na magsa-soul searching lang talaga ako?
Ronnie! Wait. Akala ko ba nagkalinawan na tayo na magkaibigan lang tayo? Kaya ako nagkukwento sa'yo eh.
Nagkikwento ka sa akin kasi malinaw na hindi ka na masaya sa marriage niya ni Joy. And it's your way of telling me that I'm the one capable of making you happier.
Oh, Roy, walang ganun. Ronnie, I'm sorry kung yun ang nakala mo. You know what? It's probably best you just leave. Gusto ko mapag-isa.
Fine. Kung hindi mo nakikita yung efforts ko at hindi mo na-appreciate yung efforts ko, bahala ka na dito magmukmuk. Babalik na lang ako ng Manila kasi wala naman ako mapapala dito.
I was with you earlier that day only, Ronnie. I never saw you again after that moment. Kaya wag mo akong bina-blackmail dinadamay porket magkasama tayo earlier that day. Malay ka ba kung umalis ka talaga? You could have stayed and killed Joy that night.
Wow. Nakahanap ka lang ng lusot. Ako na naman pinagbibintangan mo. Wilfred, bakit? Bakit ba ayaw mo maniwala na inosente ako? How can you pin this on me? Do I really look like a joke to you?
Minsan mo na ako niloko at pinag-ikot. You pushed na sisihin si Carol. At dahil sa'yo, nasira ang pagsasama at ang pamilya namin. So, bakit nga ba ako maniniwala sa'yo? You're not just a joke. You're a damn clown to me.
Sakit mo naman magsalita. When everything I did, nagawa ko kasi mahal kita.
How can I accept or even appreciate that kind of love? It's toxic. It's dangerous. And most of all, it's delusional. Kaya huwag ka nang umasa pa na kahit anong tulong mula sa akin. And please, save yourself some dignity. Stop bugging me. Stop calling me. Dahil the moment na ginulo mo pa ako at ang pamilya ko, I will consider you dead. Let's go.
Before we go, I'm warning you, Ronnie. Kung akala mo you can scare us with your lies and threats, let me remind you again, defamation is a crime. Blackmailing? Dear, it's a felony. Kung ayaw mo na madagdagan ng criminal charges against you, suggest, tigilan mo ng kliyente ko.
No. Inosente ako. Bakit ba ako hindi dinidiin niyo ni Carol? Inosente nga ako! Inosente ako! Inosente ako!